Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be reviewing Kraken crypto. Kraken is one of the oldest and the most trusted platforms in the crypto space. It is user-friendly interface for beginners, while Kraken Pro offers advanced charting, trading tools, or experienced traders. However, some new users might find its verification process a little bit slow, but this depends user to user. Kraken supports spot trading, futures, margin trading, and stocking. The mobile app is smooth and feature-packed, but some competitors offer more intuitive interfaces. With over 200 plus cryptocurrencies, Kraken is great for both long-term investors and active traders. Plus, it offers staking rewards on assets like Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot, helping you grow your holding passively. Now, if we talk about pricing, Kraken's fees are competitive with low trading fee on Kraken Pro. However, instant buy fees can be high, so it's so better use the Pro version to save some money. And with that, if you'll ask me a final verdict, I'll say if you want a secure, feature-rich exchange with staking and margin trading, Kraken is a great choice. But if you prefer a lower instant buy fees with more altcoins, Binance or Coinbase, these other apps might be a better option. If you go simply on the website of Kraken, you can just go for reviews and also learn like they also have this why Kraken options, the whole site where you can learn why you have to choose for this, why they are so reliable, the credibility of it. And I hope with that this video made clear for you the Kraken reviews. Thank you so much for watching.